Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to raise hand in Zoom. So for that, open the Zoom application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the Zoom, you need to create a new meeting first for you to have this option being used. Tap on new meeting. You want to start the meeting with video on or off, you can tap on the toggle for that option. You want to use your personal ID or not, and then tap on start meeting. Once you start the meeting, for you to raise a hand in Zoom, you scroll right to the options over here and there you need to tap on reaction. Tap that. With this, you will have the option of raise hand at the very first. Tap on it. Once you do that, you will be raising your hand in the Zoom meeting. This way, the host will be notified that you have raised your hand. So, if the host allows you to talk, you may be prompted to unmute yourself. While unmute, your profile picture and your name is displayed to the host. So, this is how you can raise a hand in Zoom. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.